I bet you've got a logo, maybe a website, but if your email still ends in @gmail.com, clients are already making assumptions about you, and not the good kind. So let me show you how to fix it. I'm Pallen, brand strategist. Welcome to my channel, where I help you build and grow a brand that actually looks the part. For today's video, I'm partnering with Neo, which fits neatly into what I already tell my clients, that your email address is a branding decision, not just a communication tool. So when they approached me, it just made sense. What I'm going to show you today is how Neo gives you a professional branded email, a free domain, and a free website all in one place. And it's all set up in minutes. No tech background required. So let's get into it. Let's start with the thing that probably is driving you to this video in the first place, getting an email address that actually matches your brand. Starting on Neo's homepage at neo.space, I'm gonna click Start with Email. If you already own a domain, great. You can use it and set it up by clicking here. I bet for most people watching this, you want a new one, so I'm gonna go with that to demo. My company is called Pallen Collective, so I'm keen to find a domain that resembles that in some way. Just type in your business name, that's a good start. Neo searches available domain extensions for you. In this case, the .com is not available, but the .site is, so I'm gonna rock with that. And Neo gives you a domain for free. How awesome is that? I'll proceed to add details from my customer account. The thing I'm telling you is to avoid this, your name at gmail.com, or even a free account from your web host, a real professional email that tells clients you mean business before they've even read what you wrote. I think it's so important nowadays. I'll create my mailbox. I know from experience setting this up in Gmail with a custom domain can get a little complicated, unlike this process you're watching. And if I have team members, I can add them. And then I can also add general mailboxes too. Maybe something like info@. You get the idea. Next, I'll tell Neo a little bit about my domain and my business. Super simple stuff, so I'll speed this up for the sake of this video. And just like that, our mailbox is ready for us. I'll log in, set a recovery email, and we are literally ready to go. Complete setup in less than 2 minutes. You can't really beat that. Here's something that I want to make clear. Neo isn't just an email address with a fancy domain. It's a suite of tools that small business owners actually use. And I mean that in contrast to platforms like Google Workspace, which gives you 100 features when you only need 5. Let me show you what's inside. Inside the Neo inbox, the first thing worth showing is email tracking. Enable it with a single click before you send. I'm going to send this email draft to my team member Javier just to demonstrate how useful this feature can be for visibility, think collaboration, sales efforts, and so much more. I can see that he's already opened the email without even needing a third-party plugin or a Zapier workaround. This is just built in. Next, templates. If you send variations of the same email repeatedly, like I do, maybe a client proposal, a follow-up, an intro, for me, information on how I collaborate with brands, you can choose from preset templates that might come in handy, or even create your own, as I'm doing here. I'm pasting the email template that I send many times per day. Oops, I've got to give it a title. And now I really love being able to pull this up in one click compared to going back and trying to find the last email that I sent, copy and paste, etc. This just makes a lot more efficient inbox. Then there's AI Write, Neo's AI email writer. This can do a few things. Choose either help me write or refine my draft. I'll choose the write option for this demo. Now check this out. Help me write is what you'll use most often. Type in a prompt describing what you want to say. Pick your tone, professional, casual, friendly. Choose your length, and then Neo writes the email from scratch. Reply is the same idea, but built for responses, so you can paste in the email that you received, add a prompt describing how you want to reply, and then it drafts your response based on the context of that conversation. Now, what I want to demo in this video is refine my draft. It's great when you've already written something like we have, but you want to clean it up. You would drop in your draft, choose your tone and length, and Neo reworks it for you. You can see it pull from what you've already written, shape it into something more polished, and then hit insert message, and it drops straight into your compose window. 3 modes, 1 tool. You'll find yourself reaching for it more often than you'd expect. Finally, send later. Schedule emails to land at the right time, even if you're writing at midnight. Choose the date and time, and you are set. Now, one of my favorite things Neo includes, and something I don't think enough people know about, is the built-in booking page. So no Calendly subscription, get rid of it. No linking out to a third-party form. It lives right inside your Neo account, and it connects directly to your calendar. From inside Neo, open the app picker and select Bookings. You'll land here where you give your page a name, you can choose your URL, and optionally you can add a photo and a short description of what you do, and then you can create your services. A service is just a type of meeting someone can book with you. I've set up two, a free 30-minute intro call and a 60-minute paid consultation. For each one, you can set the name, the duration, the price if there is one, where the meeting takes place, whether that's a video link or an in-person location. And then once it's live, this is what your clients see, a clean, simple page with your photo, your services, and everything they need to pick a time and book. No more back and forth emails or separate scheduling apps that you have to pay lots of money for. The live link lives right inside Neo, so you can drop it in your email signature, your website, or anywhere you're already sending people. When someone books, Neo creates a calendar event and sends the confirmation automatically. And because it's connected to your availability, there's no risk of double booking. For most small business owners, this replaces Calendly or other tools entirely, and it's already included in your Neo plan. Now, let's talk about something that surprised me when I first explored Neo, the website builder. I want to be careful here because free website builder can mean a lot of things, most of them underwhelming, but for a small business that needs a clean, professional page online, this is actually really solid. So let me show it to you. Next up is the website builder, which Neo calls Site. Head there from the app picker. Again, you'll land on this screen, two fields to start, your business name and a short description of what you do. That is all the AI needs to complete your website. So I'll type my business name in a one-line description, then hit Build Site with AI. And what comes back here in a few moments is a full mobile-ready website with a layout, copy, imagery already in place. So I love that we don't have like a blank canvas that we're starting from. It's an actual starting point that looks like something and we can tweak it from there. You can customize everything, swap out images, edit the text, rearrange sections, add your social links. There's a drag and drop editor, so you don't have to worry about coding or having design experience. And then one thing I want to highlight, there's a built-in contact form that captures leads and routes them directly to your Neo inbox, so you don't need a separate tool like Typeform, which can get very expensive. When you're happy with how everything looks, you hit save and then publish, and your site goes live instantly at the domain that Neo already set up when you created your account. The whole thing stays connected. Your email, your booking page, your website, all under one roof. How great is that? Now, the last thing that I want to show you is how all of this, the email, the domain, and the website, and the booking page come together in a way that actually looks professional. Because the point isn't just to have these tools, it's to have them feel cohesive. And Neo's signature designer is a small but such an important part of that. The last thing I want to show you is the signature. For this, you'll want to go to Settings and Preferences and then click on Signatures in the left sidebar. You'll see two options: build a custom signature from scratch or pick one of Neo's premium templates. These look great, by the way. The templates are definitely a faster way to go. You can see they've got several styles here. Some include a headshot, some have a banner image. All of them have space for your name, title, phone number, website, social media links. So pick the one that fits your style and then click Use this template. From there, you'll fill in your details, upload your photo or logo, which I'm going to show with my headshot here, and then save it. And then Neo will attach this to every email that you send automatically. Think about what this means. Every time you email a potential client, a collaborator, or anyone new, they see your name, your face, your title, and your links before they've even finished reading your first sentence. I don't know, I feel like this is not just a nice detail, it's a really confident branding decision, and that matters, trust me. And best of all, this takes about 3 minutes or less to set up. So here's the honest takeaway. Neo isn't trying to replace Google Workspace for a 50-person team. That's not the point. The point is that if you're a freelancer, a founder, a consultant, or a small business owner, you don't need 100 features. You need the right ones, and you need them to work together without a stack of subscriptions holding it all together. Professional email address, a domain, a website, a booking page, and an email signature that looks the part. Neo bundles all of that starting at under $2 a month. I've linked below with an exclusive discount just for you, so go check it out and let me know in the comments what your current email setup looks like. I'm genuinely curious. How many of you are still on Gmail for your business? I'll reply to every single comment. If this is helpful, hit like. It helps other people find this video, and subscribe for more of my content on branding and positioning your brand. I'm Pallen. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.